call a meeting of delegates. Media delegates.
We have identified the key areas, especially like in Bunyala, there is like Marenga Beach, Mulukoba Beach and Omena Beach. Those are major crossing points. The same to Samia, Teso North and even Teso South and even Busia here.
And we are here to receive a consignment of hand washing, and sanitizer, personal protection equipment, and some thermoguns, and also some disinfectant, which helps us to get rid of whatever impurities and viruses there may be around us.
We are actually on the top of testing any suspected samples that have arrived into the country. So in addition to that, KEMRI will also deploy a number of personnel to support the screening at the point of entry.